Alright, welcome to Cinque Terre. Cheech looks like he missed his train. It's just stop one right here. This isn't even an actual stop. This is just our train waiting grounds.
Oh, that was a terrible week. Come on.
Still mid. There we go. Hey.
It slipped out.
I ate a lot of chicken last night.
When people Google pictures of Cinque Terre, this is probably what they'll see.
No, I'm gonna fall off his side.
So I just took a little nap. Look at this Airbnb view, baby. We're at the beach right there. We're nestled in this little mountain. This is pretty dang cool. Delicious food.
Delicious food, great company. What more can you ask? A gorgeous view. But, do you know your moon sign? I don't.
This bell they're finally stopping, but I swear, man, they probably woke us up like 4 times. Yeah, 5 minutes long of just yeah. Sucks. Cinque Terre, you suck. Look, bro, it's like the claw game. I think they're building that. Look at that. Dude, that is so cool. Man, this place really is gorgeous. Glad we came here. We got Floyd Paul. We got Floyd Mayweather, Logan Paul tonight. Andrew's got $69 on Logan Paul to win the fight. But yeah, man, we're going to Pisa soon. That'll be its own video. See the Leaning Tower. Gotta make the best out of this summer while I got it. Yeah, peace.
Goofy. Feeling a little goofy. Feeling a little goofy, babe.
Just spent $50 on the Logan Paul fight. We have to wake up at 3 a.m. over here is when we're waking up. Logan Paul, you'll never see this, but you better win. It's a lovely 5 a.m. over here in Florence right now.
I like that, I like that. Come
Where Logan didn't get knocked out, that's a loss for Floyd, 100%.
Floyd. Get him some brass knuckles.